Can you solve this? Can you solve this? Okay. Let me see if your answer is on the same page as mine. So here's the solution. Here's the solution. We're supposed to solve for x, and this is the equation we have. This is the equation we have. So somewhere we shall have to apply the concept of exponents. Look here, we have 2 power x. So we have to create this one also to be in this form so that we can be able to solve. How can we do that? How can we do that? Let's start with this part first so that we see if we can make it this way. That is 2 power x plus 2. According to the rules of exponents, this one is the same as 2 power 2x, okay, then it times 2 power 2. Do we agree that according to the rules of exponents, you simply add the exponents if the base is the same? Okay, so now how can you write this in this format? So this one will be equal to, this one will be equal to, this will be 2 power x, then into bracket 2, then again times 2 power 2. You see this? Okay, which will be equal to 2 power 2 is the same as 4. So it will be 4 into bracket 2 raised to power x, then again power 2. So this one equals that. So now our new equation, becomes, 4, then 2 the exponent x, then squared, minus 33 into bracket 2x, then plus 8 equals 0. Okay, then how can we proceed from here to make it simpler? Let this 2 power x maybe be equal to b, such that 4b squared minus 33b plus 8 equals 0. We have 2 ways of solving this. Can either use the quadratic general formula, or we can factorize the middle term. So we can split the middle term. So here, to be able to split the middle term, we have to look for 2 numbers whose sum is negative 33, and the product will be equal to 4 times 8, which is 32. So product 32, sum 33. Definitely that is 1 and 32, but they should both be negative. So here I will have 4b squared, then minus b minus 32b, then plus 8 equals 0. Then get the common factor. Here is b, so 4b minus 1. Get the common factor here is 8, so it is 4b again minus 1 equals 0. So we have 4b minus 1 and b minus 8 to be equal to 0. So if their products equal 0, then either the first one, the first term, that is 4b minus 1, will be equal to 0, or the second one, that is b minus 8, will be equal to 0. So this one here gives us either b equals to, taking this one, that side becomes 1, then we divide by 4, or taking this 8 to the other side, we get b equals 8, like that. But remember that somewhere we said b is equal to 2 exponent x. So when b equals 1 over 4, when b equals 1 over 4, we shall have 2x to be equal to, shall have 2 power x to be equal to 1 over 4, of which can be written as 2x to be equal to 1 over 4 is the same as writing 4 power negative exponent 1. But what is this 4 on its own? This is 2 power 2. Then there is negative 1 outside. Okay, which gives us, since the bases are the same, then we compare the exponents. We compare the exponents. So here we get x is equal to negative 2. X equals negative 2. This is our first answer for x. The second one is when b equals 8. When b equals 8. So we shall have 2 exponent x equals 8. So we have to write 8 in the same format as this one. So we can write 2 exponent x to be equal to, getting all the factors of 8, we give you 2 exponent 3. The same here. Comparing the bases, then we get our x to be equal to 3. So in conclusion, we shall say, that in that exponent has got 2 values of x. The first one is x. The first one is x equals. The first one is x equals. Why? They're connecting. X equals. We got in. Yes, it's here. It's negative 2. And the second one, x equals 3. So these are our answers for the given equation. We also see your comments down there, and thank you for watching.